Yeah, so guys, that's for the Google bypass today for the phone. Okay, we're going to be setting and volume down at the same time. Hard factory data reset. Okay. Okay. 7 seconds. Okay, we'll give him off. Good deal. Keep holding him. When we come up, we'll release when we see the logo. And hit volume up and power at the same time. This will give you the menu options, okay? Once we're there, after we did the reset, which was volume down and power, remember, same time. When we did the power and volume up, it'll bring you this, guys. We'll go to the first. Wipe data and factory reset, okay? We'll select this. Yes, we want to do this. You need to do this though. Then when he comes back, after he cleaned it up, let's reboot the system now. Okay? That, my friends, is your A10e hard factory data reset for the Samsung Galaxy A10e. Okay. Step 2 will be in the video coming up. It's called the FRB bypass. That is what you must do to take the Google lock from the previous owner off your device. I'm still currently working on mine for the moment. I know I'll get it, you know. I've done this fucking way too much. It's the A10e, 20e. I got the 10 here. It's all pretty much the same shit, you know what I'm saying? Basic concept, fucking money in the bank, one of the motherfucking shorty to fucking spank fucking romp. Alright, we're going here now. Hey, Matty Daddy, is that you? It's me, big homie. I don't need with the motherfucking 2-in-1 scoop and I get shit all the way done in one step, okay? So this still is loading because it takes forever. It really does. It's just rebooted to factory bullshit. And look, watch this real quick. I'll show you what happens with A1020. Oh, we get this one. A10. It takes us pretty much to the very beginning to add this on thing on the A20. And it fucking, as you pull the thing, it comes boxed out, right? So as soon as this one gets going, we're gonna see if we can compare the steps to A10e and the A20 on YouTube here today. Because there's so many few different options. But we're gonna figure out the one I like best. Bro, there's just a crack in it. My shit down. Why? Because I want to keep it cleanest. I want to take for the meanest. God damn, it thing's... Whew. You should be done by now. Hey, put him out, please. I'll get back to you video 2 shortly, okay? Let's just get done.